Today I'm going to show you how to export CapCut videos for free without a watermark using CapCut on PC. This is a super useful tutorial if you want to save your finished edit in high quality without paying for extra features or ending up with a watermark on your final video. The key is to make sure your project only uses free assets before you export. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to export. Before you do anything else, take a close look at your timeline and make sure your edit does not include any pro effects, pro filters, pro fonts, pro stickers, or any other paid assets. This step is extremely important because if your project contains pro content, CapCut may add a watermark or require a subscription to remove it. So go through your edit carefully and replace any pro items with free alternatives. Once your project is fully ready, look to the top right corner of CapCut and click Export. This opens the Export Settings window where you can control how your final video will be saved. Here, you'll see options for resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Choose the resolution that best fits your content. For most videos, 1080p is a great option because it gives you a clean, sharp result without making the file too large. If you want smoother motion, select the frame rate that matches your original footage, such as 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Then adjust the bitrate based on the quality you want. A higher bitrate usually means better video quality, but it also creates a larger file size, so balance quality and performance based on where you plan to upload the video. After reviewing your settings, double-check everything one more time. Make sure the file name is correct, the export location is where you want it saved, and your project still contains only free elements. When everything looks good, click Export at the bottom of the window. CapCut will now begin rendering your video and saving it to your computer. Depending on the length of your project and the power of your PC, this may take a few moments. Once the export is finished, open the exported file and play it back to confirm that there is no watermark and that the video looks exactly the way you want. If you still see a watermark, that usually means a pro asset was used somewhere in the project, so go back and remove it before exporting again. And that's it, you've now learned how to export CapCut videos for free without a watermark on PC. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.